And here we are, after clipping the shape on a piece of paper and bringing the shape on the plywood here. I hope this will be the shape of the cut and that the machine will nicely fit in the area. So that's the cover here. So the machine is going to be bolted on this plate through 4 bolts, and the plate itself will be screwed on the frame that is in the head over there. So what I'm going to do is prepare the holes and the attachment for the machine on the plywood piece, and then I will screw the plywood with the attachment of the machine on the frame over there, so that at the end of the day I just have to bring the machine and screw the machine into position. Okay, at least that's the plan.